As wood-turning clubs embrace the hybrid meeting, there's naturally been a lot of attention on demos, cameras, and setups. All that tech gets us a wonderful demo experience with multiple cameras on the action and a big TV screen to watch it. And we also crave meeting together. The Zoom operator can do a lot to facilitate communication across the digital divide. Room mics and a phone cam looking into the room allows everyone to see and be seen, hear and be heard.
Hello everyone, welcome to the May meeting for the Lancaster area woodturners. This month's club challenge was the Spring and Bloom Mayflowers. So
I tried to make a bunch of flowers. So it was a challenge at first, but towards the end I started to
but there was a big nail stuck in it, which was marked.
You guys want me to talk about this?
yes, please.
Talk about it.
All right, this is
Nice.
Very nice.
But it was turned on the inside.
Yes.
And then you drilled.
And the file goes across the tooth and it just has this harmonic motion.
Oh, I'd like to see that.
Do you have any kind of rule of thumb for RPM versus bit diameter?
I don't.
I think you should hold the check when you back out of that.
It's so okay. Yeah. So that's a good point.
The gallery view does show everyone in the room and on Zoom. But in gallery view, it's very hard to follow a conversation. There's too many faces.
You are not going to be growing those things in your lung from breathing spalted wood.
Well, that's good to
It's
hear.
no more dangerous than regular dust.
Most of it really is about particle size, and I think I heard it a couple of times. And
I was talking about the side of a vessel.
Well, you can also do the David Ellsworth method, which is a bent piece of wire.
Yeah.
It's really inexpensive pieces to hook up together.
One of the things, Jim, that I think people don't pay attention to, or maybe they do but don't realize it, is sound.
stop the lathe and put a cool light bulb inside and see what the color is showing through the wall thickness all the way down.
Got magnets on them.
Yeah.
You stick one of those on your cutting tool, right close to your cutting tool, tape it to the bar.
I mean, this is all you need right here. The big yell at the end is really pretty loud decibels when you go through. So you know that you've gone through when that sound happens. So.
it might be. It might be.
You were focused on lunch. We had a good lunch. Not so good
Did have a good lunch.
I didn't want to separate the head off until I was done. I should drill them both ends. So I want to know
Wood shop. Thank God for wood.
I actually wanted a little transparent because I'm kind of hoping that I'll have a cavity in there where I can see the salt and see the pepperoni. But I won't know. Come back here. Give me a picture of the size of the salt. I guess it was a 4x4 that you had kind of come in.